Press the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to never miss another video. So let's begin. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denny and this is my den. So as all of us are very much aware about Oneplus smartphone brand, the brand that started with the invites only way of selling their smartphones. And as the trick worked out in a good way, the company has never stopped growing its fans all around the world, with all-around flagship killer smartphones in a very competitive pricing, leaving behind all its competitors. So now it's time for the launch of the next flagship killer, the Oneplus 6. As per the official news from the company, I have listed out all the detailed specifications for the upcoming smartphone, with the exact date of launch, availability, and pricing. So without further ado, let's take it up. Starting with the launch, the company has teased and made it official that the smartphone will make its debut on 16th May 2018 at London at 5 PM BST. And as in India, the smartphone will be released on 17th May 2018 at 6 PM IST. The company has decided to go with the pop-up stores at the launch event, as well as many official stores in selected cities throughout the world for the first come first serve basis, so that people can buy the phone directly at that time. OnePlus also mentioned that the stocks for the OnePlus 6 will be limited, so buy yours as quickly as possible before it stocks out. In India, the OnePlus 6 will be sold exclusively by Amazon on its website, and the early access for Prime members begins on 21st May 2018. Okay, so the specs for OnePlus 6 are as follows. The OnePlus 6 will run on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and a Adreno 630 GPU, as confirmed both by Qualcomm as well as OnePlus. Second, the OnePlus 6 will sport a 6-inch Quad HD Plus display with an uncommon 19:9 aspect ratio. Yes, you heard it right. It will come with a 19:9 aspect ratio with a LCD panel. As we all know about the notch game in the smartphone industry right now, some people hate it while some love it. I guess OnePlus really loved it. Hence OnePlus officially confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will have a notch, not as big as the iPhone X, but yes, there is a notch and also a small chin at the bottom. You can hide the notch or even customize it from your phone settings later on. The CEO of OnePlus also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will come with a glass back, as glass back looks and feels much more premium than aluminium. And as glass back is confirmed, the smartphone will also support wireless charging, which will be great as almost all flagship smartphones nowadays support wireless charging. The smartphone will come in three variants: a 6GB RAM 64GB storage, 6GB RAM 128GB storage, and the high-end variant will come with a whopping 8GB RAM and a 256GB storage. The smartphone won't have support for external memory card, as it never did. The 8GB 256GB variant is confirmed by OnePlus and is listed on Amazon, so do check it out. OnePlus also confirmed that it will launch a special limited Avengers Infinity War Edition OnePlus 6 with all top-notch specs, honoring its exclusive partnership with Marvel, and a video teaser was also released by OnePlus supporting this. OnePlus also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will be water resistant. As to what rating it will carry is not yet out, but as per a posted video teaser on Twitter, it did confirm that the smartphone will have some kind of waterproofing. The OnePlus 6 will run on Android 8 Oreo out of the box with Oxygen OS, as confirmed by OnePlus. Next, and as leaks suggest, the OnePlus 6 will come with a dual camera setup on the rear with a telephoto lens and a normal camera lens, both a 16 megapixel plus and a 20 megapixel shooter, both f1.7 with EIS and dual LED flash, and yes, a 16 megapixel f2.0 front facing selfie camera with EIS, that's electronic image stabilization. The smartphone will come in three color variants: a midnight black, lava red, and my favorite, sandstone white. A grey variant is also supposed to be launched. So OnePlus also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will have a headphone jack and a USB Type-C reversible connector for charging. Other specs include fingerprint scanner on the back, a 3450 mAh non-removable battery, fast charging support, dual SIM tray, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, Bluetooth 5.0 and an NFC. Except the final pricing of OnePlus 6 for India are as follows. The 6GB 64GB storage variant will cost around $36,999, that is approximately $550. The other 6GB 128GB storage variant will cost around $39,999, that is around $600 approximate. While the top end variant pricing is not yet out, but as suggested, it will cost around 42 to 45,000 rupees or $700 approximately for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please drop a like, it helps me a lot. Comment down in the section which variant you are interested in buying and which one will be your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting some more videos related to OnePlus 6 on my channel. So see you in my next. Peace.